Hard.
It is.
How do people do this?
Does Jake Paul know how to do this?
Not a Pauler, I don't know.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
So today,
You're small, so you go up more, up more. Hey guys, my name is Allie. I go to Liberty University. I'm currently in New York, and in May, I'm going to LA.
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you should definitely subscribe. Today, I'm in New York, because that's the only way I can start this video. I can't say anything else. Because I'm not in North Carolina. Wow, this is really good for angsty teenagers.
Right? It is. Are you in?
I can't stand you right now, Mom. Okay, so today we have Nathan, Michaela's brother, and he also has a YouTube channel. We'll leave the link down below.
What is it, Nate?
Nathan rocks.
Yeah! Because it's true, Nathan does
Nathan
rock.
rocks.
So today he's going to teach us how to do fidget spinner tricks.
Fidget spinner.
This is coming from two 18-year-olds. She knows how to do tricks, but I really just don't at all. This is the first time I've ever held a fidget spinner. Not done. Ever. And it's one of those things that I don't really understand that well. So
Yeah, we don't get this generation. These kids here are weird.
with their musicallys.
their musicallys are. Wait.
Oh yeah.
Okay, actually though.
Musicallys. Okay, bet.
Bet. Okay, bet.
What should I do?
Start us with your favorite trick, Nate.
I don't have a favorite trick.
Okay,
What was my nose one?
Yeah, your nose one.
Yeah, put it on my nose.
Okay.
So I just spin it, and then I land on my nose, like close my eyes, and then I
Oh,
try.
that didn't work. That didn't work.
Oh, it's gonna cut my face off. I got it for a second.
Not.
Oh, that's cool. How do you do that?
No, but it's
Hey, you like how it's only focusing on Nathan's face?
Okay.
Ow! Do we need to scratch your nose?
I don't know. That's
Do
what
we
I
just
did.
let it rest there, or?
No, I scratch my nose.
Okay, what's another trick, Nate?
Oh, I did it for a second. It was just going. Oh my gosh. Okay, would it be easier with this one?
You have to
Catch it.
while it's still spinning. You have to like go like this. It's kinda
Okay, let's see.
difficult.
Wait, explain. What's this trick, Nate?
Catching it, throwing it, and then catching.
This is hard.
It is.
How do people do
Does
this?
Jake Paul know how to do this?
Not a Pauler, I don't know.
Not every day, bro.
I'm not a Pauler, I don't know.
I'm not a Pauler.
Okay, guys, like this video if you hate Logan Paul and Jake Paul.
Don't dislike if you don't.
Don't dislike it.
Yeah.
We don't enjoy it.
And if you like them, just like it too.
Just
Well,
like
if I
it, like it both ways. Then there's the Logan Paul is over party.
You can't throw it too much. You have to
Oh!
a little toss.
I did it.
Yeah, oh, see, I did. Like,
Oh, I'm getting it. Once you get it,
every time I see this, I think of
If your measure don't touch you, I'm gonna shoot you. I said that.
Drop top. Someone,
I said that the second when we got into on the subway.
New York. We're from New York.
New York.
Have you heard anyone with a New York accent?
On Friends.
No, I like since you've been here.
Oh, you guys.
My mom.
Your mom and dad.
My dad, do you think he has an accent? A New York accent?
He sounds just like Ross.
No way.
Yes, exactly.
No way!
I can't get it out.
Tell him that later. Oh, he broke.
I broke it.
Fidget spinning tutorial gone wrong. Okay, what's another tutorial?
I don't know what else. What do you want to learn? No,
Give us your fidget spinner tips. How to become a fidget spinner.
Oh, this one where you put it on your.
Oh,
I've never done
Yeah, it's a one of
So you
those
go like this,
videos.
and then you go like this, right?
Okay.
How? I can't do
Or
that.
what if you? Oh
Come
yeah.
on, Nathan.
Oh
This is
yeah,
beginner
we got
stuff.
this. It tickles, kind of.
It does.
Yeah.
It's good. I'm still
like
on
that.
my forehead. Oh, does it sound weird?
Nathan Rocks is gonna get like 4,000 subscribers.
Yeah, really. He's gonna get more than
And we're just gonna be over here like.
And I'm gonna be here like, please get me.
No, really.
I haven't
you
posted since the summer.
He's gonna be that person
Because
that
he was
posts.
focusing on his schoolwork, so don't
Yeah, and sports.
What two things? Basketball,
and school.
And soccer.
soccer, school,
And
He's on that grind, you
and
know,
baseball.
on the grind.
and yeah, more soccer.
More soccer, more basketball,
He'll
More
start.
schoolwork.
more
tennis.
schoolwork, watching the Mets. Let's go, Mets.
Yankees.
No,
What? Oh, wait a second.
I'm just kidding. I don't even know.
Okay.
I was gonna say
Oh,
you're lying.
no,
I'm not from New York.
You might as well get up.
You might as well leave.
Ow!
I like spinning it on my. Ow. Okay.
God, I think it's gonna give me blankets.
Wait.
We went to the Yonkers today.
The Yonkers.
Yonkers.
Down in Yonkers.
Yonkers.
The good water and the pizza and the sandwiches.
And online.
Online. We are online.
Oh, promo to
Promo for my video.
Yours probably going out way before mine though.
Yeah, this is coming out tomorrow.
No, ours is coming out tomorrow. I'll leave her channel
Yours-
link down below as well.
Yeah.
Oh, PS too. No big deal.
Okay,
Let's
Nate.
get all of ours together.
All of ours? Okay,
Yeah,
let's all do
everyone-
it.
Oh,
I thought you were cool for a second. I knew it was wrong.
I wonder what's the world record for fidget spinners stacking.
I could do it on this easily.
Obviously not.
No. Oh, it's
Da 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 da.
What's up with children?
Oh,
I don't know.
Like honestly, okay, let's for
What
real
is-
talk here. They're very like who made this?
I don't know.
Like, what
who is
engineer?
making so much money off these
Off of
things?
plastic, and it looks. What does it look like? It's just like
A triangle.
it's a triangle. It's the
It's the da, 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 da. The Illuminati.
confirmed.
Confirm.
Everyone, Illuminati confirmed.
Cheek.
No. Oh.
That doesn't work because I'm too chubby on my cheek.
I like the forehead one. That's my fave.
What else is there? Neck.
They're like neck.
Knee.
My neck.
Oh, I can't
Knee.
do it. I have knee pads.
I feel like
Hey, here.
I feel like a knee would be good.
Oh.
Dude.
I am the one.
What if I do?
I am the one. Yeah, no big deal. Just
big
my
deal.
next fidget spinner.
We're gonna go on America's Got Talent for fidget spinner.
What if you went out there and you're just like,
Simon Cowell, this is for you.
you're welcome to America.
America, this is for you. This is just a summary of America.
Okay. There you go.
Anything
Now we're basically pros.
We are pros.
this?
That is how you become a fidget spinner pro.
How to become a fidget spinner overnight.
Thumbnail, please.
Okay, how to become a pro fidget spinner at 18 years old. Okay, so I will leave Nathan's channel link down below, Nathan Rocks. I will leave Michaela's channel down below, Michaela Joy. Subscribe to me, Ali McAlister, on YouTube.
Wish yours was your real name.
Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Peace out. Go watch their videos.
We're in New York. Don't forget it.
Don't forget it. LA in May.
Alright, Virginia next week. New North Carolina. Peace out. Oh,
Don't forget to dab on them haters.